In today's video, I'll show you how to remove your Microsoft account from your Windows 11 computer. Now, the first thing that you have to do is go to Start and then click on Settings. Now from the left, click on Accounts, and from here, click on Your Info. And here you can see the Microsoft account that I'm currently using. And to remove it, all I have to do is go to Account Settings and then click on Sign In with a local account instead. So just click here. Now from here, you can choose to back up your recovery key by clicking here. If not, then just click on Skip. Now from here, click on Next. Now in here, you need to enter your Microsoft account password. So I'll just quickly do that. And then click on OK. And now all you have to do is put in a username, a new password, confirm the new password, and enter a password hint. If you do not want to use any password, then you can leave these boxes empty. So I'll just put in a new password. Then click on Next. Then click on Sign Out and Finish. Now Windows will sign you out and then you will be able to sign back in again. Now enter your previous PIN number one more time. And we are back into Windows. Now if we go to account settings again and check our Microsoft account, you can see that we are using a local account instead of a Microsoft account, which means we have successfully removed or signed out of our Microsoft account in our Windows 11 computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.